So just to brief you guys, SOW is a contract that is being signed between a vendor and the client, and it describes about what you are going to develop. Is it any LMS application? It is any banking application? What is the brief justification of that? What will be the timeline? What will be the team structure? What will be the cost? Scoping, de-scoping, infrastructure, governance, everything. Even post-production, what support you are going to give. So now what happens actually is the SOW is created by the project manager or with the help of project manager, but is taken care by the sales or the pre-sales team of that particular organization. Because those are the sales team or the pre-sales team is the body which actually gets involved with the customer to get to get the project for the organization. Now, what happens is the SOW is created, it is signed, but it is kept aside. Maybe there is no further communication between the project manager and the pre-sales team. Maybe even the project managers they might lack what to say. They might lack the opportunity to go through the SOW again. So one of the biggest reason why but make sure and keep this in mind that customer will have SOW opened each day. He will highlight all the points that have been written because this is a contract and it is duly signed by both the organizations, maybe vendor or the client. So he will always pitch up and he will always point out to the SOWs, to the points that have been mentioned in the SOW, and he will always let the project manager get into a kind of discussion that, see, this is what is mentioned in the SOW, but you are not following it. Your team structure is so and so, but you are not following it. Or this was the scope, this was the D scope, right? So SOW is something which generally people or the project managers they miss out. Once it is signed, they get the project, they start working on the project. They run after the deadlines, they run after the resources, they are constantly in touch with stakeholders, they present matrices, they do all the tasks. But then whether that particular SOW whether they are going through that SOW, they are figuring out that whatever is written in the SOW is planned or not, and are we on track with the SOW or not? The other point is when an SOW is created, ideally, realistically, the project plan should be in adherence to the SOW. So, SOW is kept with the pre-sales team. Project manager creates its own project plan, gets it approved. But then, is SOW and project plan are on the same page? Maybe no, maybe yes. So this is one of the topics which generally the project managers misses, and which generally the you can say the training platforms also misses. Now there is something called MSA, which is Master Service Agreement, which is also a kind of contract which is signed. Generally, in change request kind of projects, MSAs are also missed out. Now, that is not part of this particular webinar, so I'm not going deep, I'll not deep dive into that. But my perspective and whatever I have seen in my career till now is that SOW is the, you can say, is the underlying truth, source of truth for all the project managers. So here I want to take this leverage and I want to introduce myself to all of you. So I am Abhishek Tripathi. I have almost 15 plus years of experience working in IT industry. I have worked with MNCs such as TCS, Birlasoft, Wells Fargo, Concentrix, and I have been involved into corporate trainings wherein I hold expertise in project, program, and delivery management along with Scrum, Agile, frameworks along with SAFe and Kanban too.